Hi everybody. Today I have the Macy's Beauty Box for August 2021. Let's see what we got. I missed my last box. For some reason, it never got delivered to me. So I contacted Macy's and they refunded my money, but I never got the box. Okay. This month's theme is Golden Hour. It says open, have fun, repeat. And in here is a description of the products and the $5 off of a $20 beauty purchase. All right, let's see what's in this little mesh bag. And as usual, everything is wrapped in this pink paper. This is the bag without the paper. Interesting. All right. There's everything right there. So we got from Mario Badescu a cleansing oil. I didn't know he made a cleansing oil. That's nice because I do like using cleansing oils to remove my makeup. It smells a little bit like witch hazel. It's very liquidy. But yeah, it's an oil. Okay. And this is a nice 2-ounce sample size. I can get quite a few uses out of it. And then we got from Glam Glow. This is the Glow Starter. And this is an illuminating moisturizer. See how it looks. It has a nice fruity type of smell. There it is on my hand. Okay. A nice subtle glow. Not too much. I like that. And then from Kula, we have Sunless Tan. And this is an anti-aging facial serum. Okay, all right, let's see. There's a seal on it. This has vitamin C, argan oil, and hyaluronic acid. And it's supposed to give you a sun-free tan for up to 3 days. Alrighty. And then next we have from Cedar. This is the complexion correcting Radiance serum. So this month is all about the radiance and glow. I like Cedar products. It's not quite as glowy as the Glam Glow one. But it had a little bit of a sheen right there. Okay. And then from Laura Geller, we have the Baked Original Highlighter. Let's see how this looks. In the little package like that. And there it is. Let's try this out. Oh, it's a nice subtle highlighter. It's not glittery at all. Okay. I like that. I prefer a subtle highlighter to a glittery one. So that's good. And then the final two products are from Coach. These are two fragrances. This one is called Blue. And this is a men's fragrance. Let's see what it smells like. It's nice. Smells like a lot of other men's colognes. My son will like this one. And then this one is called Dream Sunset. And this one is for women. Spray this on the paper too. Different part of it. Oh, I like that. Oh, it's sweet. It's soft and it's sweet and a tiny bit powdery. I like that. It's described as having jasmine, sambac, and tonka bean. Whatever that is, but it smells great. Okay, so for the August 2021 Macy Beauty Bag, we got the Mario Badescu Cleansing Oil, the Caudalie Facial Serum, the Glam Glow Glow Starter Moisturizer, the Kula Sunless Tan Serum, the Laura Geller Highlighter, a men's and a women's fragrance from Coach, and the $5 gift card in the mesh golden hour bag. So that's everything that I got in the Macy's Beauty Box. Thank you for watching. Bye.